Okay, very good afternoon here on the 3rd of April 2017. Welcome to April. And the first 80% RB trade of April is setting itself up. That's the dollar against the Japanese yen. Here you can see the master of the market's V1 pattern has confirmed itself on the daily chart. And you can see at this time that we have entered the market short on the dashed green line just here. And we are looking for that to continue falling off. And if we drill down to the 1 hour chart, you can see a little bit more in detail of what's happened so far this morning. And you can see that dollar yen is currently just breaking the low of the day so far. And there is definitely downward momentum there. And you can see that the pretty aggressive price action is pushing it lower. Of course, that's brilliant for our bottom line P&L, which you can see at the bottom here. We're currently enrolling $540 worth of profit. If we switch back to the daily chart, again, you can see the V1 pattern on the daily chart just there. And that's the reason we're taking this particular opportunity. And you can see if I zoom in on the daily here, you can see I have a protective stop in place just at this level here. And then, of course, my take profit is in place at 110.54 is where my take profit is, just there. And you can see currently we are around 55 pips, 57 pips away from hitting that profit target. So we'll leave this to run. The time is only 3:49 here on the trade so far, and so this will run all the way up until the live trading room takes place this evening. And of course then we will give you a further update. But this is the dollar Japanese yen. You can see the rolling profit is increasing at this time as the price is moving downwards. So we've shorted this market and it is an 80% RB trade setup. Okay, a very good afternoon here on the 3rd of April 2017. Time now is 17:17, that's 17 minutes past 5 p.m. And you can see we are still holding the dollar yen trade short. And here it is currently with an open floating profit of £811. So the price does continue to move lower. If you look at the 4 hour chart, you can see the momentum is all to the downside. So currently we are 41 pips away from hitting our target. But the key thing to understand here on the 80% RB is, of course, that we will close out at 10 p.m. So let's see. So 1 day hold only, 1 day strategy. And in this 1 day, it's looking at grossing us, if it stays where it is now, £830. So, of course, we'll continue to hold and follow the plan and stay disciplined. And, of course, I'll speak to you very shortly with another update. Okay, very good evening here on the 3rd of April 2017. So you join me as we've just opened two new opportunities on the dollar against the Swiss franc and the euro US dollar. And as well, we've closed out a position on the dollar Japanese yen for £933.23 of profit. There you can see we held the trade only for 1 day. We're in on the 3rd of April and we're out on the 4th of April. So it's a 1 day hold, £933.23 as a return on that particular pair. It moved 43 pips. It didn't hit its profit target, which is what we had initially planned for. And obviously the profit target was at the price level of 110.57, and that's this level just here. So you can see it didn't get down to its profit target, which was this yellow line. But we are still proceeding lower, although we're no longer in the opportunity. We've now taken that out for a profit of £933.23. That's pretty much it from me on this update. I look forward to speaking to you soon with more updates on the 80% RB. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your plan, and trade like a master. Bye for now.